Hey, what's up fam? If you're ready to ditch those boring diets and skip the endless hours at the gym, then you're in the right place. I am Makeover, and today, I'm spilling the ultimate secrets to shedding those extra pounds naturally and without losing your mind. And guess what? You'll start seeing results in just 1 month. So, if you're ready to kickstart this transformation and finally get the body you've been dreaming of without any crazy restrictions, then stick around because this is going to be epic. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Alright girls, let's dive into our first tip, and it's one you've probably heard before, but trust me, it's a total game changer. Drink more water. Now, I know what you're thinking, water? Really? But hear me out. Water is like the unsung hero of weight loss, and I'm about to tell you why. When you're trying to lose weight, hydration is key. Not only does water keep your body functioning at its best, but it also plays a massive role in controlling your hunger and boosting your metabolism. And the best part? It's free and totally natural. First off, let's talk about how water helps with hunger. Sometimes when you feel hungry, it's actually your body's way of telling you that you're thirsty. Crazy, right? So, before you reach for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. You'll be surprised how often that hunger disappears after you hydrate. This simple habit can save you from unnecessary snacking and help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. But that's not all. Water also helps your body burn fat more efficiently. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism slows down, making it harder for your body to break down fat and use it for energy. By drinking enough water, you're giving your metabolism the boost it needs to keep burning calories even when you're not working out. Plus, staying hydrated gives you more energy, which means you'll be more motivated to get up and move, rather than feeling sluggish and tired. So, how much water should you be drinking? A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses a day, but if you're active or it's a hot day, you'll want to drink even more. And here's a pro tip. Start your day with a big glass of water. It wakes up your body, kickstarts your metabolism, and sets you up for a day of healthy choices. If plain water isn't your thing, no worries. You can jazz it up with slices of lemon, cucumber, or a handful of mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas are another great option, just be sure to choose ones without added sugars. The goal is to keep it natural and avoid those sugary drinks that can sneak in extra calories. Tip number 2. Eat more whole food. Now, this tip is a biggie. When we talk about whole foods, we're talking about foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These are the foods that come straight from the earth, without being processed or stripped of their nutrients. And when it comes to weight loss, these foods are your best friends. Why? Because whole foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help you feel full and satisfied. Unlike processed foods, which are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories, whole foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. When you eat more whole foods, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to burn fat and keep your energy levels up. Let's talk about fiber for a second. Fiber is a superstar when it comes to weight loss because it helps regulate your digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Foods like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of fiber. When you start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or snack on a crunchy apple, you're setting yourself up for success by stabilizing your blood sugar levels and avoiding those midday cravings. Another great thing about whole foods is that they're naturally lower in calories than processed foods. That means you can eat more and still stay within your calorie goals. For example, a big salad packed with leafy greens, colorful veggies, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds is not only filling but also low in calories. Compare that to a small portion of chips or cookies, and you'll see why whole foods are the better choice. So, how do you incorporate more whole foods into your diet? Start by filling half your plate with vegetables at each meal. Choose whole grains like brown rice or quinoa instead of refined grains like white rice or pasta. Snack on fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead of reaching for packaged snacks. And when you're grocery shopping, stick to the perimeter of the store where the fresh produce, dairy, and meats are usually found, and avoid the processed food aisles. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating foods you enjoy, but about making whole foods the star of your diet. The more you can shift towards natural, unprocessed foods, the easier it will be to reach your weight loss goals. Tip 3. Increase physical activity. I know, exercise can sound like a chore. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. This way, it doesn't feel like a burden, it becomes something you look forward to. First things first. Why is physical activity so important for weight loss? When you move your body, you're burning calories, which is essential for shedding those extra pounds. But it's not just about burning calories. Exercise also boosts your metabolism, helps build muscle, and improves your overall health. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and boost your mood, which can be a big help on your weight loss journey. Let's talk about what you can do to get moving. If you're new to exercise, start with something simple like walking. Walking is a fantastic way to burn calories, especially if you pick up the pace or tackle some hills. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, and try to gradually increase your distance or speed as you get more comfortable. You can even break it up into smaller chunks throughout the day if that's easier for you. If walking isn't your thing, there are plenty of other options. Try dancing, swimming, biking, or even doing a home workout. The key is to find something that gets your heart rate up and makes you sweat a little. And here's a tip. Involve your friends or family. Exercising with others can make it more fun and keep you accountable. And let's not forget about the importance of staying consistent. It's better to do a little bit of exercise every day than to go all out once in a while. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's a morning walk, an afternoon dance session, or a few minutes of yoga before bed, make it a habit, and you'll start seeing the results in no time. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Now, this might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about weight loss, but trust me, sleep is a major player in your journey to shedding those extra pounds. Getting enough quality sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's crucial for your body's ability to burn fat and keep your metabolism running smoothly. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough sleep? Start by setting a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a bedtime routine can also help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Try activities that promote relaxation, like reading, taking a warm bath, or doing some light stretching. Avoid screens like your phone, computer, or TV at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Another tip is to make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows, and consider using earplugs or an eye mask if you're sensitive to noise or light. And finally, pay attention to what you eat and drink before bed. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the evening, as these can disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're hungry, and choose calming herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint. Tip 5. Manage stress levels. Stress is a major roadblock to weight loss. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that increases your appetite, especially for high-calorie comfort foods. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, particularly around your midsection. But don't worry, there are simple, natural ways to manage stress and keep your weight loss on track. One of the best ways is through mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Take a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing or meditation. These activities calm your mind, reduce cortisol levels, and help you stay focused on your weight loss goals. Another great stress buster is physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Even a short walk or a quick yoga session can make a big difference in how you feel. Plus, regular exercise helps regulate cortisol levels, making it easier to manage stress in the long term. Don't forget about the importance of sleep, which we covered in tip 4, and a balanced diet. Eating well and getting enough rest are crucial for keeping stress at bay. Also, make time for activities you enjoy. whether it's reading, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing a hobby. Remember, managing stress isn't just about feeling better, it's about giving your body the best chance to lose weight naturally. Keep calm, stay active, and watch the pounds come off. Tip 6. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating can transform your weight loss journey by helping you become more aware of what and how much you eat. This practice involves paying full attention to your food, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Start by eliminating distractions during meals. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and focus solely on your food. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly, which not only enhances digestion but also gives your brain time to signal fullness. Portion control plays a crucial role in mindful eating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help regulate portion sizes and avoid the temptation to overeat. By practicing mindful eating, you'll improve your relationship with food, make healthier choices, and manage portion sizes more effectively. Tip 7. Avoid late-night eating. Late-night eating can interfere with your weight loss efforts and disrupt your body's natural metabolism. Eating too close to bedtime can lead to poor digestion and weight gain, as your body is less active and less efficient at processing food. To avoid late-night snacking, establish a consistent eating schedule and try to finish your last meal at least 2–3 hours before going to bed. This gives your body enough time to digest and metabolize the food before you sleep. If you find yourself craving something late at night, opt for a healthy snack if needed. Choose options like a small piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, or a low-fat yogurt. These choices are lower in calories and less likely to disrupt your sleep. Additionally, stay hydrated throughout the day to prevent dehydration, which can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Drinking water or herbal tea in the evening can help you stay satisfied without reaching for unhealthy snacks. By managing late-night eating habits, you'll support better digestion, improve sleep quality, and enhance your weight loss efforts. Tip 8. Stay consistent with healthy habits. Consistency is key to achieving weight loss goals in a month. Sticking to healthy habits day in and day out creates lasting changes and ensures steady progress. Create a daily routine that includes balanced meals, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. Consistency in these areas helps regulate metabolism, control hunger, and burn calories effectively. Set realistic, achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Incorporate healthy habits gradually to make them more sustainable. Start with small changes, like drinking more water or adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals, and build on them over time. By staying consistent with your healthy habits, you'll build momentum and see tangible results in your weight loss journey. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to start your weight loss journey and see real results in just a month. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your healthiest life. Drop a comment below sharing which tip you're excited to try or if you have any questions. Stay consistent, keep your goals in sight, and remember that every step forward is progress. I'll see you in the next video with more practical advice and motivation. Until then, take care and keep striving for your best self.